Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Starlink Unplugged or rebooting. So all you need to do is follow these steps. So step 1 is check power connection. Make sure the router is plugged in securely. Confirm the power outlet works. Test with another device. Avoid extension cords or loose power strips if possible. Power interruptions commonly cause this error. Check the dish cable. Inspect the cable between the dish and router. Make sure it is fully inserted at both ends. Look for bends, cuts, or damage. A loose or damaged cable can trigger unplugging. Step 3. Power cycle properly. Unplug the router. Wait 2 to 5 minutes. Plug it back in. Allow 5 to 15 minutes for the system to fully reconnect. Do not unplug repeatedly unless doing a reset. Step 4. Prevent reboot loops. If it keeps saying rebooting, make sure the power supply is stable. Avoid shared outlets with heavy appliance. Check for overheating. Ensure proper airflow. Step 5. Factory reset if needed. Unplug and plug the router back in 6 times consecutively. Wait for reset, reconnect and set up Wi-Fi again. Only do this if the issue continues. Step 6. Check for hardware issues. Contact Starlink support if the dish does not move at startup. You see visible cable damage. The app still shows unplugged after troubleshooting, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.